Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Tailswipe 7.8 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Tailswipe official website and download. It is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. Then see here the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.8. Then click on burning a Tails DVD. Then click on download Tails 7.8 ISO image. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 1.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware. Now click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Next, now select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse for the downloaded ISO file. See here I have the Tails 7.8 ISO image. Click on it to open. Select the type as guest operating system type as Linux, then version as Debian because this is based on Debian. So select the latest Debian version from this list. Click on next. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Tails 7.8 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the location where you have the enough space. Click on. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. Remaining I am going with the defaults. Click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.8, and hit enter. See, for language and formats, these are the default values. If you want to change any one of them, just you need to click on the option. Then you can search and you can select. I am okay with this 3. Then if you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on. Otherwise, keep it as for the turn off. Additional settings, click on this plus button. See, these are the default values for these additional settings. By default, administration is password. Click on it to set the password. Re-enter the same. Remember this password. Later we need this. Click on add. Remaining options I am going with the defaults. Then click on start Tails. Click on connect to tar. If you want to connect always automatically, just you need to select this radio button and click on connect to tar. See, now it is establishing connection. See, connected to tar. Now click on start tar browser. See, you got the tar browser, and version of the tar browser is help about tar browser. See, it is the latest version. Okay, now open terminal or console. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed 7.8. In its ID is like Debian. The first step after connecting to Tailswipe is we have to update the package. Sudo apt update. Then provide the password of the administration. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailswipe 7.8 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.